Trump's funding cuts, the brain science crisis exposed. Imagine the chaos when a certain former president decided to slash federal spending. That's right, Donald Trump turned his blunt scissors towards crucial government contracts, and the consequences are nothing short of devastating. Picture the scientists who collect, study, and share human brains being left in the lurch. Due to Trump's reckless budget cuts, brain banks, indispensable for studying diseases like Parkinson's and ALS, had to slam the brakes on accepting new donations. Can you imagine being the director of a brain bank, with a mountain of 30 brains waiting to make a difference, only to turn them away because dear old Trump couldn't promise contract renewals? It's a nightmare come true, folks. The Maryland Brain and Tissue Bank, housing nearly 8,000 brains, and Mount Sinai Brain Bank faced this terrifying reality as contract renewal deadlines loomed perilously close. These scientists were left dangling on a cliff's edge, with 6-month extensions arriving just hours before the dreaded deadline. It's no wonder they sent layoff notices to their dedicated employees. Fortunately, they managed to retract those notices, but the damage was done, abandoning potential scientific breakthroughs, all because the Trump administration decided their rapid spending cuts were more important than continuing life-changing research. Imagine losing an opportunity to study the brains of Parkinson's patients, desperate to unlock secrets of a disease that afflicts millions. The brutal truth is that Trump's funding slash left researchers and donors frustrated and helpless. Susan Mojavarian, who had hoped to donate her brother's brain to further research into schizophrenia, found herself heartbroken and angry. The promise of contributing to groundbreaking science just shattered by an administration that couldn't see the bigger picture. Trump's administration turned excitement into devastation, snatching away research potential and sidelining these invaluable contributions. This reckless cost-cutting culture thrived under Trump's rule, leaving a fragile research ecosystem in its wake. We've seen it not only with brain banks, but also with the Women's Health Initiative, where the funding roller coaster left scientists in limbo. Trump's legacy of uncertainty and sabotage runs deep, creating a chilling effect on scientists across the board. The narrative is clear. Trump's desperation to cut costs at any cost was deliberate sabotage that put the nation's advancement at risk. These brain banks might have received a temporary lifeline, but the looming uncertainty will continue to haunt them. We'll be back on this string as the next contract review approaches, with anxiety creeping back like a shadow. This narrative of federal disruption is a tale of a president who prioritized cuts over compassion, leaving the future of scientific discovery hanging by a thread. We see you, Trump administration, and we're not letting this go unnoticed. This was Grassroots Report. Have a nice day.